G'day and welcome to Nature Walk. We're still at Noble Falls in Gidgegannup. So I'll just take you for a short walk so you can appreciate the scenery around this area. If Gidgegannup is not too far out of your way, then come here and appreciate the scenery. Plenty of walk trails around. Oh, I do love the country, I really do. Just bear with me. Okay, now Noble Falls Tavern is just up there. There's 2J Road, and this is the area here that you need to come to Noble Falls. Just going to turn you around for a moment. Now you're probably thinking, it's not so big, not so tall as what you might think it is. But when you do come here to Noble Falls, this is what you should expect and appreciate the wonder as it is. So till next time, see you then.